Did you know flat earthers have a wild theory for why nobody's ever sailed off the edge of their flat earth? They call it the Pac-Man effect. Seriously. So here's how they think it works. If you travel far enough south past Antarctica, instead of falling into space, you get instantly teleported to the opposite side of the world, just like when Pac-Man goes through one side of the screen and pops out the other. This supposedly explains why ships can sail around the world without falling off, and why GPS systems don't just break when you reach the edge. But it gets weirder. They use this teleportation theory to explain all sorts of stuff, like why flight paths get mysteriously redirected, why compasses go crazy near the poles, and even why some ships disappear in remote ocean areas. Some flat earthers think this teleportation is controlled by advanced technology, keeping us trapped in a simulation. Others believe it's just a natural property of their enclosed world system. Either way, they've basically turned our planet into a giant arcade game.